Green flag's out and back underway. Jared Horseman dropping the hammer and leading the field off into turn one.
Randy Hannigan there.
Big time
We
trouble
got a
here
wreck
at the
in
start-finish line. Big time problems. And that appears to be the 28 car of Phil Gressman into the catch fence right here at the flag stand. How about it, race fans? How about a nice salute for Phil Gressman after that wild ride down there? Phil, good to see that you're A-OK. There's Phil Gressman's automobile being taken back down into the pit area. We do have a replay of this one. Don't know how long this camera is going to live, Josh, but here we see that incident start to happen down there. Big-time ride for Phil Gressman. Look at that air, race fans. Big-time flip as he's going to flip over our speed shot camera down there at the front stretch right there at the start-finish line. Here's another look at it from the flag stand as we were waving the green flag and Phil getting turned sideways, hopping the right rear tire, and he is off to the races, so to speak, taking a wild ride up into the catch fence. And good to see our two starters up on the flag stand there, avoiding any type of bodily injury.
Yeah, shout out to Rob Penrod and Rick Monroe there up in that flag stand.